Are you starting a dropshipping business? I'm going to show you the easiest way to get started in less than 24 hours. Watch this now.
Level up our lifestyle if we love the game.
What's up everyone, Adrian Morrison here, and today we're going to be talking about my from scratch method for launching an e-commerce business and a print-on-demand store. You know, so many people out there are starting their print-on-demand and e-commerce businesses right now, and they think that there's this perfect formula that you have to use to be successful. But we've gone ahead and reverse engineered all of it into the method that you're going to learn today. But first, before we dive into any of that, now is the time where I get to say, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another video just like this that I know could help you get started with your own e-commerce business in the future. Okay, first, let's look at how most people launch their stores so you can see the difference. Most people go in and they find a popular design and then they put that design on a t-shirt, they put it on leggings, they put it on a zillion other print-on-demand products. And then what they do is they run a whole bunch of expensive ads to those products. And when they see that doesn't work and they lose money, what's the next thing they do? Well, they go find some low-cost trinkets that they can add to the site in hopes to recuperate some of their losses. Can you see the problem with that strategy? Stores like this are absolutely doomed to fail. And if they don't fail, they're usually struggling to get their footing. Because every choice that they make will be a reaction to bringing themselves back up and getting out of the hole. That's why I want to show you my from scratch method to start your very own e-commerce store the right way. It's actually backward from what most people are doing, but still, it helps you build that long-term e-commerce business instead of just tossing a bunch of stuff at the wall and seeing what works. Listen, make sure that you go through to the very end of this training because each step is crucial. I won't promise you that this is going to make you rich overnight, but still, I can say that if you follow the steps exactly how I've laid them out, your chances of succeeding are going to increase exponentially. And this is because with this method, you're following actual applicable steps rather than some hot trend. All right, so let's get into this. How does this from scratch method work? What is it? So it's going to consist of 3 steps, all right? Now, step number 1 is launch passion products that you can drop ship with companies like AliExpress or Zendrop. These are drop shipping companies. You're going to find these products on the websites I just mentioned, AliExpress and Zendrop. These are 2 companies that literally do everything for you completely. I mean, you never see the product, you never touch the product, you never ship the product. It's drop shipping. You have 0 risk in inventory, so you don't get stuck with a bunch of crap in your garage that never sold that you don't have anything to do with, okay? So that's step number 1. Number 2 is use a $5 per day ad budget to build an audience and do your testing. To make any sales, you're going to want to identify your target audience first. Once you have those items from AliExpress and Zendrop ready, you're going to want to start directing people who fit the avatar of your audience to your store with traffic. And number 3 is going to be launch your print-on-demand brand. Once you have established that audience, you can target them for items and products in your print-on-demand business. And listen, that's it. It really is just those 3 simple steps. And it works in the opposite way to a traditional strategy that most dropshippers are using. But still, the reason it works is you're building that initial following from smaller viral products that you sell inexpensively first. And you get traffic to those products with tiny little $5 per day Facebook ads. And this is going to generate traffic to your site before you invest too much money in your drop shipping business for products and subscriptions or even art licensing agreements. So you can really figure out who your avatar is and how to establish your brand first with a customer base. Then you can go and you can do all that stuff. Listen, I'm going to be real with you. Marketing is all about what the people want, not what you think is cool. So what you need to do is you need to figure out through inexpensive products what is catching on with your audience. What product do they like? What product are they actually purchasing? And 9 times out of 10, you'll find that it's completely different than the product that you thought was really cool and the design that you put on that t-shirt that you just knew was going to be $1 million design. That's the way that it is. So don't get caught up and don't get emotionally attached in these expensive, elaborate, super fancy designs on your print-on-demand gear that nobody is buying. Instead, make the simple, cheap stuff that people say that they love, build up capital, and then once you start generating sales, once you start generating a profit, you can use some of that profit now to invest in launching some of the more expensive designs. They're going to be lower volume, but a higher profit margin. Does that make sense? You want something that's high volume with a smaller barrier to entry for a consumer and a customer versus something that's really expensive that you're going to get less customers with. Now, why is that? It's because when you have a lot of volume on a cheap product, you're going to build something we haven't talked about yet, but I've talked about a lot on this channel, and that is an email list. A big email list is more valuable than one single $50 sale on a t-shirt over here, right? I'd rather have 10 or 5 or 10 $10 sales over here that add subscribers to my email list that I can continuously market to. The bigger that list gets, the bigger your success is going to become in your store. So when you're going through and you're starting your own dropshipping business, your own print-on-demand business, I guess my point is the number one rule of marketing is nobody cares what you think. The only thing that matters is what people want to buy. Figure out what that is, figure out who your avatar is, and run low-cost ads to them, and you can absolutely crush it in ways that you never thought you would. Listen, half the stuff that I sell, you know what, 99% of the stuff I sell in my e-commerce stores, if you had asked me 5 years ago if I would be selling that stuff, I would have said you're crazy. I think most of it is ugly, but people love buying it, and I give the people what they want. So take that from this video. I promise you it'll really help you. That said, I hope that you enjoyed the content here today. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, comment below. Was this a helpful video for you? Do you do print on demand? What's your favorite product to sell in print on demand? Is it basic t-shirts? Because I've made a boatload of sales selling leggings myself that are customized. Some really cool stuff out there. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments, and I'll be back next week with another free video and training for you. I'll see you then.